The second strategy used by the media and in fact even the critics of Islam is they pick up verses of the glorious Qur'an and they quote it out of context. And one such example is wherein the critics of Islam and a famous critic by the name of Arun Shuri, he writes in his book The World of Fatwas that the glorious Qur'an says in Surah At-Tawbah, chapter number 9, verse number 5, wherever you find a kafir, you should kill him. If you open the glorious Qur'an, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does say, but it is in context. In order to read the context, you need to read from the start of Surah At-Tawbah, from verse number 1. In the first few verses of Surah At-Tawbah, chapter number 9, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about a peace treaty between the mushriks of Makkah and the Muslims. And this peace treaty is unilaterally broken by the mushriks of Makkah. And by the time Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reaches verse number 4 and 5, he is giving the mushriks of Makkah an ultimatum, a warning that put things straight in 4 months' time, otherwise declaration of war. And later on, when the mushriks of Makkah, they break the peace treaty, war is declared. And in Surah At-Tawbah, chapter number 9, verse number 5, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, in the battlefield, it is in context, in the battlefield, wherever you find the enemies, when you are fighting them, kill them. And any army general, in order to boost the morale of his soldiers, he will say, wherever you find the enemies, kill them. The army general will not say that run away.